Hey YouTube, here we are once again, Rotten Animal Custom Cycles, coming at you, live, uncut, raw, like always. I'm going to show you this new project for this week. This is a customer's bike. She said she wanted purple, so we came up with this. Tell me what you think. We got the forks going, almost like that shiny powder coat look. We also got the interior of it like purple, I don't know. Then I did the outside black, but I was gonna also throw on this purple chain that we did, and the tank came out real sweet with the two-tone, and then just did some levers for her. You know, that's pretty cool. I thought, you know, you could do something like that. And her little headset kinda right there, that also got done for her. We did those. Well, you know what? I was thinking, let me know if you guys would like this. I was gonna maybe do a drawing. If we get some subscribers, that maybe we could give something away. If I have some custom painted pieces, you know. So like, subscribe. Rotten Animal Custom coming at you. We're gonna keep you updated. This is Plum Crazy coming at you. Rotten Animal Custom Cycles. Like, subscribe.